afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a very small Dollar Tree haul. I bought some items. I think it totaled up to $16. I had to get a gift bag that would fit a gift for a birthday boy tonight. So I wanted to, there's the gift right there. I've already started putting some stuff away and I forgot. I was like, oh shoot, I didn't do the haul. So that's one of the items I did. That was the main reason for my trip to Dollar Tree, was to get that and some blank cards because I ran out. How are you guys doing? How is the summer treating you? Oh, my kids are home. Just saw one of their arms. They are eating me out of house and home. I am running out of food very fast. And they've only been out for 2 days. 48 hours. For 2 days, yeah. So, my goodness. Summer camp actually starts next week, so I'm real thrilled for them to be out of the house. And the complaints are ridiculous at this point. They're complaining about anything and everything. Something with the AC, and someone's upset with one of the other siblings, and the games is not acting right, and all kinds of stuff. So they're driving me bananas. So let me get to, I have 3 small bags. It was a very small one because I really went in and out just to make sure I got this bag, which is a super cute bag. It just says hooray for cake for a birthday party. I also went and got this honey bun glaze, the one that comes in 6. One of my kids really love it, so I picked it up. Also, they had these 360 scrub bundies, dusters. I got these for 50 cents. Here it is. Because I guess it was damaged on the sides. But when you open it, everything is intact. Everything is still together. So I was like, oh, okay. So I picked up 2 because I do use these to clean my blinds, my window blinds. And they had those for 50 cents. They also had the Band-Aids. I got this for 50 cents, and it was because the top of the box was open, but the amounts, the 20 are in here, so 50 cents as well. Got some blank notes. I got this very pretty design here. It's turquoise and green and white. That's 8. This one's also 8. This one has the gray backdrop with the blue stars with the inner. That's white. There you go. Also got this other pattern with the orange pattern as well. I got this cute little bunny that is super adorable. So I picked those up. I went and got some Irish Spring soap. I also got the paper tape. This was in the Band-Aid section. So my kids like to file a complaint about very small injuries that really isn't there. It could just be a very small bruise by the door or them sliding against the wall or something. Instead of me wasting a full Band-Aid on something that's not bleeding, I'll just wrap their finger up with this so that they'll feel like it's being protected. I keep it smooth 2-pack. I wear these in the evening, and sometimes when I do wear my units, I have that too, to protect my hair. And this is the last bag. We had 2 bags. And then I got some tissue, got the Scotty. This one has 160 sheets. I'm running out of the ones that I have in the office. I went and picked up 2 hangers because I know it's going to be hard for me to get these for back to school. So I started just to get them while I can, see them now, and just put them out the way for back to school. And the last item is going to be these vanilla cream cookies. I'm supposed to stop eating cookies, and I'm supposed to reduce my intake, which I've done drastically, so I'm very proud of myself. But I do have just this particular sweet and the honey bun. I don't eat the honey bun. But like when you want to have something in the evening around 6, 7, if you want a cookie or two, you have something to savor on. So that's why I have it. Hopefully it will last for longer than 2 days, because my kids would actually eat them all up. So we'll see how that goes. I hope you guys are enjoying the summer. It is extremely hot. Well, I shouldn't say that. A lot of people got 90s and 95s, and we're sitting here at 83, 85. So I'm grateful for that. And I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others. Try to keep cool, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.